In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Vagaro account. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to vagaro.com, and then from in there you should be able to see this. So as you can see, this is actually a booking site. So for example, you want to book your next workout or your salon or your service that you want. What you can do is you can head over and click onto this login option. Don't worry because even though we don't have an account yet, we will see in here the options to actually create a one. So as you can see, they will ask if you don't have an account, you can proceed to sign up using this. So in order to set it up, let's click on the sign up option. And then after that, they will ask in here for our details. You can choose to log in using your details such as your first name, last name. You can input your mobile number, input your email, password, selecting your gender, and selecting here how you would like to be reminded for your appointments. So for example, you can choose email or text or none, and you can also choose in here promotional emails. And after that, click on this create an account. Now, other alternative is to actually log in using your Facebook or Google or Apple. So for example, let's just choose in here the Google option, and then this will open in here this tab. Input right here your actual email, and you should be able to log in. Let me head over and choose in here my Gmail account that I wish to add. And then once you have selected your Gmail, you just need to grant it access. So head over and click on the continue, and then wait for this to load. And then from in there, as you can see, our account has been set up. We can see in here our profile, and you can just choose in here the actual business name, location, services, and when you want to actually avail of that service. So for example, let's choose in here nail, and you can see in here some businesses available, and you can see in here which one you can actually book. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with setting up your background.